which is basically dedicated to all the participants. We'll be declaring the weekly challenge and also some live testimonials. But before that, I think let us, inspired by our Thane branch chairman, Shiv Bhagwan Asawa ji, I also want to dedicate a शायरी in the morning to all of you. तुझको बेहतर बनाने की कोशिश में तुझको ही वक्त नहीं दे पा रहे हम, तुझको बेहतर बनाने की कोशिश में तुझको ही वक्त नहीं दे पा रहे हम, माफ करना है जिंदगी, माफ करना है जिंदगी, तुझको जी नहीं पा रहे हम. So basically, this really tells us that we are not finding time for ourselves. We are running in day in day out, but we are not finding time for ourselves, for our health, for our fitness. And I'm sure this movement 73 is just an initiative which will basically help you to get toward that path of fitness and healthy life. We have been, that everybody has a why they have joined movement 73 or why they want to become fit. To be something about myself, I'll tell you why I wanted to get back to my fitness, because I was gradually becoming unhealthy. I was going from L, X, double XL to maybe triple XL, I don't know. So somewhere I had to realize that importance of being fit and healthy, and hence even and especially with the nutrition sessions and all, I really I got to know that even healthy food are tasty. Normally we have that thing of having outside food and all the chatpata food, but even healthy foods are tasty. That is what I got to know. So today we have with us a few. There are a few chartered accountants, a few non-CAs who have joined us for giving live testimonials. I'm very happy to first invite CA Gaurav Luthra from Agra. He is someone who is, I think he sends me selfie daily of what a workout he does. So be it Zumba, be it Tabata, be it yoga, any workout is always there. Yesterday he sent me the photograph of his kids also doing Zumba. So amazing enthusiasm, Gaurav bhai. I would request you to address all of us and how Movement 73 has affected you. Thank you.
थैंक यू. नमस्कार सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को. हरित भाई, मूवमेंट 73 जैसे ही मुझे उसका ब्रोशर रिसीव हुआ, इट वाज लाइक समथिंग आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर, बिकॉज हम लोग सीए लोग काम में बिजी रहते हैं और अपनी हेल्थ पे ध्यान नहीं देते बिल्कुल. जब भी ये मूवमेंट 73 का ब्रोशर आया, सबसे पहला काम मैंने इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन कराया. बट मुझे नहीं पता था कि इतना मजा आने वाला है कि डेली सुबह 7 बजे के लिए मतलब अलार्म लगा के उठने लगा हूं, जबकि मैं ऑफिस के लिए या किसी और काम के लिए कभी अलार्म नहीं लगाता था. तो क्या है कि हम लोगों को अपनी सेहत पे ध्यान देना है. ये कोरोना ने मतलब कोरोना काल के बाद हम लोगों को बिल्कुल इस चीज का बहुत ध्यान रखना है. और आप लोगों ने जो ये मूवमेंट 73 शुरू करा है, इट दैट दिस अमेजिंग. इवन यू विल नॉट बिलीव कि माय वाइफ समटाइम्स जॉइन मी. मतलब हमारे फैमिली में मैंने अपने कुछ फ्रेंड्स को फॉरवर्ड किया है, दे हैव जॉइंड इट. और अभी सर हमारे इधर यूपी में, मतलब आई एम फ्रॉम आगरा, तो लॉकडाउन है. वी कांट मूव आउटसाइड आवर हाउस. अगर हम वॉक के लिए जाते हैं तो भी पुलिस वाले पकड़ते हैं हमको. तो इस सब में अपनी सेहत को कैसे ठीक रखें. सो मतलब आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू कि आप ऐसा सेशन लेके आए कि हम लोग ये सब कर पा रहे हैं. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल फ्रॉम माय हार्ट टू बिशन भाई, हरित भाई, to all the members of Ahmedabad branch. You are doing a great job making us exercise daily, and all it's such a wonderful experience. The words are shorter कि मैं आपको बता सकूं कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो सबके लिए. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, Gaurav ji. It's always pleasure to be in touch with you. आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, हमको मोटिवेट भी कर रहे हैं. I would now request a ma'am. Basically today is Mother's Day, so mother of a chartered accountant. Chartered accountant name is CA Namrata Kishorani, and her mother Bhavna ji Dayani from Kota. I think we all believe that senior members are also very active here, but she is doing all the activities daily. You see her post every day, 4, 5, 6 kilometers. She is walking. She is doing Zumba, yoga, Tabata, senior members exercises, everything. She is joining us in the morning. We are very, very happy to have her today. And I would now request Bhavna ji to please say a few words. Ma'am. Bhavna ji, please unmute. Yes, ma'am. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, आप अनम्यूट कीजिए ना. भावना जी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. आपको हमने अनम्यूट के लिए रिक्वेस्ट दिया, अनम्यूट कीजिए ना.
हेलो.
यस यस यस, परफेक्ट.
आ गई?
अभी आ रही है, परफेक्ट.
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, जय श्री कृष्णा। आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही आ रही आ रही आ रही
आ रही है।
यस भावना जी।
हाँ, आपने इतना अच्छा कराया है कि हमारी मॉर्निंग इतनी अच्छी हो रही है। सब आप एक्टिविटी जितनी भी जो कुछ करा रहे हो, एक्सरसाइज वगैरह, मैं सब ज्वाइन करती हूँ, वॉक करती हूँ। सुबह को उठ के ऐसे लगता है कि जल्दी सुबह कब हो मेरी, और मैं जल्दी से आपकी ज्वाइन करूँ। और मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आपकी तो एक इतनी अच्छी बात है कि आपने पूरी इंडिया को जोड़ा है। अहमदाबाद से ब्रांच से आपने पूरी इंडिया को जोड़ा है, सीए को। आपसे मिलकर मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई। गॉड ब्लेस यू हरीश भाई, बहुत अच्छा लगता है मेरे को। इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, जिंदगी का मजा ही अब आ रहा है मेरे को कि आप सुबह से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं मॉर्निंग से, और फिर वॉक करती हूँ, फिर घर का काम होता है। बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपका। इससे मेरी जिंदगी लाइफ बदल गई है। इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, आपको बता नहीं सकती मैं। आपको भगवान हर समय खुश रखे, आपकी पूरी पूरी उसको। बहुत अच्छा सीए वालों को इतना अच्छा लगता है मेरे को। मेरा बेटा भी सीए है, मेरी बेटी भी सीए है। कोई भी सीए का भी कुछ भी स्टार्ट होता है, मैं सब ज्वाइन करती हूँ। मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगता है। सब सोचते हैं, मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं तो करूंगी, मैं तो करूंगी। तो वो सब लोग बोलते हैं मेरे को, मैंने कहा नहीं। आपसे मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आपकी पूरी जितनी भी आपकी क्या है, पूरी और टीम है, उसको भी मैं धन्यवाद कहती हूँ कि मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलकर। और
थैंक यू मैम, हैप्पी मदर्स डे।
हाँ,
Thank-
थैंक यू बेटा, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
थैंक यू मैम। बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम सुन के। नाउ हम लोग थोड़ी टाइम का वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, सो नाउ आई क्विकली रिक्वेस्ट Binal Jasani. She is again a non-member, but she is a financial consultant from Mumbai. She also regularly does all the workouts with her mom and her sister. Binal ji, if you can please address all of us.
Thank you so much, Harit sir. I'm so happy. This movement started with so much enthusiasm, so much inspiration. The one guy who told us, Vijay Dubey, he started with 20 minutes ka quick session on how to work out, how to do a workout, how to do a session. It was so enthusiasing, and after that सारे trainers आके जो हम लोग को workout वगैरह किया, we were never disciplined. Now it's like every day we are waiting for 7 o'clock in the morning to make this workout. Like me, my sister, we are so happy. And the trainers, I mean, the nutrition का group बनाया है, walking, running का किया है. I mean, so much enthusiasm, so much initiatives you people are taking. It's really good, really good. We should make more and more of these things, and it's such a blessing to be a part of this amazing moment. Thank you so much, sir, everyone. And a vote of thanks from my mom as well.
Okay, thank you. Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग। बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये सब सुबह सुबह करने को। हम सोच भी नहीं पाते थे कि दिन इतना अच्छा होता है, इतना एनर्जेटिक रहता है ना। ये उम्र में इतनी फिटनेस अच्छी लगती है हमको, पहले इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता था। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Happy Mother's Day to you
और आप
too.
ये थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Amazing. It's always so good to connect with all of you. Now I think before we go on to the weekly challenge, let me introduce you, a few very important people who are associated with this event. Starting with someone who is looking after our everyday morning Zoom sessions. You know, he's coming at branch at 6:30 in the morning, maybe at 6 o'clock in the morning at times, and he's coming in branch at just a minute. Yeah, so he's coming at branch every day at 6 o'clock in the morning, 6:30 to set up the Zoom sessions. आपने सारे Zoom के जो भी questions, queries होती है, he is the one who is addressing it. Let me invite Siddharth Shah. He's a CA who is doing CA student who is doing his CA right now. But I think a big round of applause from all of you to him. Yes, you all can you can remove your mask to see and everybody can see you. But he is the one who is after the Zoom session every day morning. He and his team is here. Yeah, I think we'll give a big round of applause to him. His entire team comes in the morning at 6 o'clock to see that everything goes on smoothly. Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you. Two more important people. One has joined right now, and one I think is in the process of joining. CA Meera Shah. I think Meera Shah is someone who is behind all the creative thing that you see, all the creative flyers. We are just giving her the idea. She makes it into a converting it into a beautiful flyer. So a big round of applause to Meera as well. I think she's not joined as of now. And again, one more very important person, CA Abhishek Jain. He has joined us right now. He is the person behind the daily motivational flyers that you see in the morning. So we discuss about the quotes, but he is the creative person behind it who makes sure that all the branches are covered. Everybody gets due recognition. So thank you, Abhishek Bhai, for sparing that valuable time on a daily basis. Thank you so much. With this, I think we'll always also take up to the weekly challenge now. I think this week what we have decided is that since there are so many new participants joining in, we have now more than 2,300 participants in Movement 73, and especially in the last week, we have had many new branches and many new participants joining in. Hence, this week we are keeping the weekly challenge as the earlier ones as well. We are doing a no sugar week and a one detox day a week challenge. We continued this week as well. So I think all of us are following that. Bishan Bhai, Rahul Bhai, me, and I think we have coming up on no sugar week. So for all the new participants, you can let us know. We will send you the flyers again about what to do in a no sugar week, what to do in a 1 day detox week. All the things we'll be communicating to you. So this is a challenge that we have to continue for the week ahead. I would request Bishan Bhai to share some light on his thoughts of the challenge.
So no sugar week. I am very much fond of breads and basically Subway rolls. So what I did, I made yesterday mung dal chila. My mother made mung dal chila, and then I pasted all the sauces of which Subway is using and made mung dal chila Subway roll. So that's where we have to be innovative. We have to be chef, and definitely we have to try how we should not take much sugar, and we have to reduce our white sugar. As Sangram Singh ji ने भी बताया था कि गुड़ खाया करो, तो let's do it, and I'm definitely sure that we can, if not able to burn the calories, we can try to take lesser sugar intake in our daily foods. So that's how we can do that. And detoxation, तो कोई अभी जैसे एकादशी का व्रत कर रहा है या कुछ भी ऐसे कोई मंडे फास्टिंग कर रहे हैं, तो that also can be doable with the fruits, vegetable or a smoothies. So I am every day making basically my mother and my wife is making smoothies every day for all of us, and that's how these Movement 73 challenges even can, though of a day or for a week, we can inculcate that habit for the whole life. And Harit Bhai, thanks for those challenges, and we hope that we are going to have more and more challenges to inculcate this lifestyle change opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bishan Bhai. As it is said, the healthy outside starts with the healthy inside, and I'm sure both these challenges will be making a step closer to the healthy inside. And what happens, in this movement, we all together can do these challenges. We see in the group every day, somebody or the other is posting some nutritious food. Someone or other is going for the detox diet. So let us all do it together. I would request Anjali Ben, if she's there, to please share her thoughts on the no detox week as well as no sugar week.
Thank you, Chairman. I also did my
And please unmute, Anjali Ben.
Sorry. I did my detox on Friday as prescribed by Shaili Chauhan, the same detox routine which she mentioned and which has been shared in M73 group. It was a wonderful detox day. We could, it was amazing the next day feeling. I did copy to copy what she mentioned, having papaya during the day. Once the detox is over, the next morning having papaya, I felt by 1.5 to 2 kgs light. And what Bishan Bhai mentioned is very much right. If you are not able to follow 100%, let's take baby steps. I'm not having wheat since so many days. I have replaced wheat with jowar, ragi, and other millets, which are nutritious as well as which will keep you filling. The recipe shared by dietitian Archana Shah is also wonderful. I am having it in dinners. The vegetable upma, the millet chilla. The latest share is the ragi pancakes on the not on the sweeter side but on the spicy side. They are also wonderful. So let's all keep inspiring each other and let's take baby steps. I'm sure at the end we will definitely have a good lifestyle with good improvements. Thank you all once again. Congratulations to all of you for joining this initiative. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjali Ben. Yes, we all are towards that path of fitness. As I think even at you'll after the 73 days, you will see a very fitter management committee as well at Ahmedabad branch for sure. I would request Rahul bhai, if you want to share a few words.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I also started with the no sugar week and no sugar challenge because I am fond of taking the sugar and the like cake and everything. And that's why I gained so much of the weight. As you said, L to XL, now it may be double XL, but with no sugar week, I'm feeling and I'm getting something very light. And as the Anjali ma'am is said, we need to take some baby steps. So I am also taking some baby step by reducing the calories of the sugar and taking some alternate routes of the sugar, like as mentioned by Vishen, by taking some good or like thing. So it makes us and it feels us very wonderful. So thank you so much for this such a wonderful weeks. Thank you.